One of our most used tools is, besides our pencil and paper, is our kneadable eraser. And as usual, I advise getting a really good quality, like Faber-Castell or Cretacolor. They should be sticky to touch, and that is the secret of them, is so that they will lift your pencil off your paper, and they mould beautifully as well. So this one's been out of its wrapper for months, and as you can see, it's still in the same condition as when it came out of the wrapper. They shouldn't be dry. But my tip here is to keep it clean and get into the habit of using it and popping it away. And get yourself a nice little tray. It can be a simple lid of something, or you might use a compartment. Avoid keeping it in your other hand, because the oils of your fingers will transfer onto it. So use it, pop it away. One of the dangers is if you use a manual sharpener, and you can get debris lying around, and it's easy for the eraser to pick that up. And then you can transfer that to your drawing. Now, this happened to me many years ago. I picked up quite a fleck of timber, rubbed out and scored my paper, and effectively ruined my drawing. Also, you can pick up a bit of your colour pencil tips, and the same thing can happen. So it's just a simple little thing to take care of your eraser and keep it in its own little tray.